We start with the governor kidnapping plot trial. The case is now in the hands of the jury, and they've gone home for the weekend.
Both sides gave their closing arguments this afternoon. News 8's Ken Kolker is live outside the federal courthouse in Grand Rapids for us. Ken.
Yeah, good evening. Among the last words that the jury heard today were the passionate closing arguments from the federal prosecutor and the 4 defense attorneys. The defense argued it was the government behind the plot, with an FBI agent and well-paid informants pulling the strings. Adam Fox's attorney put much of the blame on an informant known as Big Dan. Quote, somebody rattles the keys, somebody beats the drum and gets them all worked up. That's unacceptable in America. That's not how it works. We don't make terrorists so we can arrest them. You mentioned something about we don't make terrorists just to arrest them.
That's how it's supposed to work, and that was a message we wanted to send to the jury today. And I'm just glad we had an opportunity to do that.
The attorney for Croft also argued the government created the plan, citing the work of a criminal-turned-informant, Stephen Robeson, calling him a common thread. He told jurors that the feds referred to his client as a bonehead. Quote, the people who say he was the mastermind of one of the largest domestic terrorism cases in the country think he's a bonehead, he asked. He called it a case of smoke and mirrors.
You heard in my closing that the government suggested that these guys do violent things to the governor. The only people that posed a real risk to the governor that summer was the FBI.
But the federal prosecutor says this was not a case of protected speech against the government. Quote, what we can't do is kidnap them, kill them, or blow them up, he told the jury. That's what also makes America great or different from other places. The prosecutor spoke of the steps the men took in their plan, the meetings, the training, recon missions to the governor's Elk Rapids cottage. Quote, they planned to kidnap a woman from her home in the middle of the night at gunpoint. It wasn't just talk. It wasn't just protected speech. He said it was part of the Boogaloo movement meant to kick off a civil war. Now, this case will go to the jury on Monday. Actually, the jury will start deliberating on Monday, first thing Monday, and it's not clear how long this will take. Live in Grand Rapids, Ken Kolker, News 8.
So, Ken, you've been in court every day of this trial. How did the defense do trying to prove that the FBI entrapped the men who are charged, in your opinion?
You know, it's a really tough sell, entrapment. They got to prove that the government was pretty much calling all the shots. Plus, they also have to prove that their clients weren't predisposed to do this. I mean, that's what the government has to prove for sure, is that these guys were predisposed to do this. So it's going to be a tough sell.
Okay, Ken Kolker reporting live. Ken will be back in the courtroom when deliberations resume on Monday. We'll have updates the moment a verdict is reached on woodtv.com.